Can you learn from a small YouTuber when it comes to starting and growing a channel? Absolutely. Learning from a small YouTuber can offer unique insights and perspectives that you might not find from larger, more established channels. Here are some reasons why learning from a small YouTuber can be beneficial. Relatability. Small YouTubers are often more relatable because they are closer to where you might be in your own YouTube journey. They face similar challenges and constraints, making their advice more applicable to your situation. Authenticity. Small YouTubers may not have polished productions or large budgets, but they often compensate with authenticity. They share their experiences, successes, and failures in a more raw and genuine way, which can be incredibly valuable for learning. Accessibility. Small YouTubers tend to be more accessible to their audience. They may respond to comments more frequently, engage in conversations, and even collaborate with other creators or viewers. This accessibility can provide you with direct access to ask questions and seek advice. Niche expertise. Small YouTubers often specialize in specific niches or topics. If you're interested in a particular niche, learning from a small YouTuber who has found success in that niche can offer invaluable insights tailored to your interests. Experimentation. Small YouTubers are often more willing to experiment with different formats, styles, and strategies. They don't have as much to lose as larger channels, so they may take more risks and try out innovative approaches. This experimentation can inspire you to think creatively about your own content and growth strategies. Community building. Small YouTubers understand the importance of building a supportive community around their channel. They may share tips on how to engage with your audience, foster meaningful connections, and cultivate a loyal fan base. While learning from small YouTubers can be incredibly beneficial, it's also essential to supplement your knowledge with resources from larger channels, industry experts, and reputable sources. By drawing insights from a diverse range of perspectives, you can develop a well-rounded understanding of how to start and grow your YouTube channel effectively.